Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. This is double crochet stitches. Make a slip knot like this. Fixed yarn with thumb. Insert your hook under this yarn. Pull up yarn. Tie yarn. Take yarn and hook with these fingers like this. In right hand and left hand. With these fingers. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain. Yarn over, pull up yarn and chaining. Yarn over, pull up yarn. I made 10 chains. For make double crochet stitches in here we need to make 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 chains, go to this chain, insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn. Now we have 3 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make double crochet stitch. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make double crochet stitches. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through. After first round, make 1 chain, turn it, go to this hole first, top of first stitch. Take these 2 yarns on your hook, stitch from here, pull up yarn. Now we have 2 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make 1 chain. Yarn over, go to next stitch, take these yarns on your hook, make double crochet. Pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns. In last stitch in this chains, yarn over, take these yarns, these 2 yarns on your hook like this. I show, make 1 double crochet in here, make a chain, turn it, insert your hook into this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make a chain, yarn over, go to next stitch, make double crochet stitches. Here, yarn over, in here, go to between of these stitches, make one double crochet, make a chain, turn it,